What is up, professional cleaners? Ruben here from Legend Brands. Today, we're going to talk about why you, as a professional cleaning company, should be using pro-grade air movers on every single job that you do. No matter if you're an auto detailer or a maid's cleaning services or a professional carpet cleaning company, and no matter what kind of process you prefer to use to clean, be it very low moisture cleaning or hot water extraction cleaning, the same principle applies. Now, let's take a step back a minute. As a professional cleaning company, who are your ideal clients that you need to build your business on? Well, it's those regular, those consistent cleans, be it for someone's home or a business or a vehicle that comes in on a regular basis for a detailing, whether that's monthly, bi-monthly, biannually, whatever it may be. That's what we need to build our business, more so than those one-off rat nasty jobs that are great for those big hit paychecks, but we know they haven't cleaned or called a professional cleaning company in years. We can't rely on that. So how do we keep those kinds of clients and how do we get them and then have them stay on with us? Well, put simply, we need to do a better job than the last cleaning company they called. Well, how do we do that? Well, obviously there's a lot to that, but today let's talk about that we need to be doing everything we can to lower the amount of dry time needed for those fibers, whatever it is that we've cleaned, for them to return to their dryness levels pre-cleaning. Well, why is that important? Well, when we finish cleaning and we show it to the client, it needs to look and smell great. That goes without saying, but it also needs to look and smell great the next day and the day after that. And if we are leaving fibers in an area that doesn't get much air movement over it, well, that is going to increase the chance of resoiling as people walk back with their messy shoes, on those fibers, or that odor is going to begin to build up if there's no air movement and that moisture is sitting in those fibers. That's where we'll begin to get that kind of musty smell. If that happens, that's when we get our callbacks. Hey, you clean my carpets, whatever it is, and now it smells musty. We might have lost that client. How do we and make sure that that doesn't happen to us? Well, like I said, we need to do everything we can to begin that drying process to lower the amount of dry times that it's going to take after we leave, and that will help. Again, whether you're using very low moisture cleaning or hot water extraction cleaning, although the dry times are very variable there, either way, doing this will lower that amount of time that we need to wait, and that can only be a good thing. So what does this look like? Well, let's use that example of a professional carpet cleaning company cleaning a house. So you rock up there with your truck mount, you go in that first room, you lay down your pre-spray like your Ultra Pack Extreme here, and then you do a cleaning pass with your wand using a rinse like the Prochem All Fiber rinse here. The place looks great, it smells great. You move on to the next room. Now, before you start to clean the next room, grab a couple air movers from your truck, pop them down, get them going, and get that air circulation going over the surface of those fibers while you're cleaning that other room. Encourage that evaporation, lessen that dry times, and improve your callback rate. Once you've done that second room, move on to the third room. If you're a big enough cleaning company, grab 2 new air movers and put them in that second room. If you don't have the resources to do that, then grab those air movers out that first room, put them in the second room, and just keep that going. Then you've done everything you can to increase the dryness of that environment, to increase and encourage the evaporation while you're still on location. Because if you're on location for 4 hours, those rooms might get 2+ hours of dry time on them from these professional grade air movers. How much of a difference will that make? Well, we'll find out. Next week, I'll do a full review on this Dri-Eaz Dri-Pod. We'll see how effective it is in different environments and see what kind of difference it could make for your carpet cleaning company. So that about does it for me today. I hope this video was helpful. I hope you learned something. Or do you already do this? As a professional cleaning company, do you already use professional air movers on every job that you do? If so, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear whether you think that doing this has helped your business. If this video was helpful, if you liked it, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Look out for the review video of the Dri-Pod next week. When it's done, I'll list it up here on YouTube. Wherever you are, stay healthy, stay busy, keep on cleaning. I'll see you next time.